So thank you for using Delta, guys. Look at this, click on How button, and as you can see, all the script. What's up, guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I'll be showing you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online. Guys, let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website, then scroll down and you will find the Delta Executor online tool, and I will have to enter our user Roblox name. Okay, so let me enter mine quickly. Let me click connect to the server and let's wait for this searching. Okay, user found, click connect and import latest Delta Executor and select script that you want to add to your account. Press continue and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working method for Delta Executor. Okay, just scroll down and click verify now and let's wait a little bit. And now, guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to allow to free games or apps or complete two simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start the loading from the official publisher with the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task if you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download this just play and earn money and money cash. So I'll be back after I complete these two tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got the status completed, success redirecting almost done. So let's wait for this redirecting, guys, and let's see the next step. Guys, if you have this message, injection successful, that's it. So let me test my Roblox and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, let me play Girl Garden and let's test this Delta Executor. Okay. And guys, I'm now in the game and look at this. We have these panels. So thank you for using Delta, guys. Look at this. Click on How button and as you can see, all scripts are added successfully. Just click execute, okay, and enjoy in your script. That's pretty much it for this review, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.